ازيكم. How to unprotect Excel sheet for modifying its function. So let's do it practically now. This is the Excel sheet. The formula is not appear here. Here, all this have there is formula but not appear here because it's protected. So here you select these cells which is protected. Okay, and then and review, and then here because it's protected, it's showing you protected. To unprotect, press here and enter the password for protection. Okay, so now it's unprotected. So if you go here, you will see the function, these functions. Okay, so can you modify it? So here the functions say that it work from sheet D. So this is in D. Okay, this is a D column. Okay, so you know, B5. So now all are changed. Okay. Okay. So now we put here and here the same, and here the same. Now need to do this or that one. So now after modifying all this, okay, we can go back and protect the file so no one can modify it. So this protection, all this will be protected. So protect sheet, select all the cells, select okay, and then okay. So now it's protected. You can protect also all workbook, but I don't do this because I need to change when this now is protected. When I change do any changes, this will happen here. Okay, here. Okay, so the user can use your Excel. You can sell this Excel sheet to other users without let them know the secret of this equation and how did how you do this and protect your creativity and innovation and your skills. If you have any question, ask and reply you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others. Bye bye.